So there's going to be one more preview of this, and then the final showcase, and then of course I'll start verifying it. First thing is, I don't know how hard this is. I don't know how hard it's going to be. Obviously, as you could see, it is unbalanced, and it's going to be changed whenever it's being play tested and whatnot. There's a chance it could be only slightly harder than Black Blizzard, or because I'm playing Bloodlust at the moment, I could accidentally make it way harder since Bloodlust is an extremely skill-based level. It could go from Black Blizzard difficulty to Bloodlust difficulty. I don't know. Another thing is, in the preview, the original reason this even started getting decorated is because of Planit, and thank you to them, because even though they're going through some stuff, they allowed me to use some of their designs and continue their work in the level, and that's a very generous thing to do, because one, I'm sure most people wouldn't let someone, I guess it would be copy their stuff. That's not a thing that most people do. I wouldn't call it entirely copying, because one, I have thrown some of my own changes into their designs, and as well as they made it for this level. Like, they were going to do it, and then stuff came up. So, I mean, it makes sense. Stuff happens. There's another person that has a couple parts in this, sent to dantboy. He's the other person that's working on this. Whenever he finishes his designs, I'll make the third preview, the third and final preview, and then we'll get all the effects together, and then I'll do the showcase. Yeah, I think that just about covers everything. I'm pretty excited to get this finished, and I hope you guys are excited to play it at some point. Anyways, thanks for watching and listening. I will see you in the next actual video, proper video. Peace.